everyone. Welcome to lesson 43. In this lesson, you listen to some speech at normal speed. Then you are going to do 2 exercises to check that you understood. I will start by showing you some useful words. Purpose, purpose, purpose. Declare, declare, declare. Immigration officer, immigration officer, immigration officer. Official, official, official. On holiday, on holiday, on holiday. James is arriving at Los Angeles International Airport. He is speaking to an immigration officer. Listen and number the questions in the order you hear them, 1 to 5.
Where are you travelling from today?
London.
What's the purpose of your visit?
Business, I'm afraid. I have a meeting tomorrow.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, nothing to declare.
Where are you going to stay?
At the Orlando Hotel.
How long are you going to stay in the country?
Just 3 days. I go to Beijing on Monday.
Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Enjoy your stay in LA.
Thanks a lot.
Tick true or false for each statement. Then listen again and check. Language tip. Before you meet someone, prepare a little. Try to think what they might say or ask and look up the words. Don't try to understand everything when listening. Listen for words that you recognize and try to guess the meaning of what is said. Relax. Nobody is perfect.